we are going to sing a beautiful rhyme for the goldfish. It is short and sweet, just like you. Come on, let's start. Pretty little goldfish, come and go, swimming in the sunshine to and fro, to and fro, to and fro, swimming in the sunshine to and fro. One more time. Pretty little goldfish, come and go, swimming in the sunshine to and fro, to and fro, to and fro, swimming in the sunshine to and fro. Done! As I said, it is short and sweet, just like you. Want to sing one more time? Come on, all together, let's sing it loudly. Pretty little goldfish, come and go, swimming in the sunshine to and fro, to and fro, to and fro, swimming in the sunshine to and fro. Pretty little goldfish, come and go, swimming in the sunshine to and fro, to and fro, to and fro, swimming in the sunshine to and fro. Yes, we are done singing this rhyme. So this was for the pretty little goldfish.